I don't know if this is going to show up or not. All right, so I got to look back at my other videos. Thank God for video cameras, right? I've never noticed this before. All right, so I'm going to use my tape measure and I'm going to put it through this crack, right? See this crack here? So it is 8 feet. So I can run my tape measure through that crack for 3 feet. I don't know why. Like there's another tank. This wasn't like a 3-tank system. Gotta talk to the county. Here. We're gonna go upside down. Right. See that hole? I don't know why that's there. I gotta go read the county's approval and all the documents. Is there a second tank here?